Yo, what's up everyone? It's Ahmad Bin back with another video, and this time we're diving deep into the future. We're talking AI, artificial intelligence, and how it's about to change everything. Forget what you think you know, because we're not just talking about smarter phones or faster computers. This is next level stuff. Imagine a world where cities run themselves, cars drive themselves, and robots perform surgery with precision we've never seen. That future is closer than you think, and today, we're breaking down the top 5 AI technologies that are gonna make it happen by 2030. Get ready for a wild ride as we explore self-driving cars, AI doctors, language barriers being completely demolished, and even AI creating art. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. First up, we're talking transportation, but not just any transportation. I'm talking autonomous vehicles. Think self-driving cars that navigate traffic like pros, making those frustrating commutes a thing of the past. But it's not just about cars. We're talking drones delivering packages right to your doorstep, optimizing delivery routes and making sure you get that new tech gadget faster than ever before. This is going to revolutionize logistics, people. Imagine a world without traffic jams, with fewer accidents and faster delivery times, all thanks to AI. Companies like Tesla are already pushing the boundaries, but by 2030, this tech is going to be everywhere. And it's not just about convenience. This tech has the potential to make our roads safer, reduce carbon emissions with optimized routes, and even change the entire landscape of our cities. Think about it. Less need for parking spaces means more green spaces, more pedestrian areas, and just a more livable environment for everyone. We're talking a complete transformation of how we move around in the world. But it's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about the journey itself. Imagine being able to relax, catch up on work, or even take a nap while your car drives itself. This is going to change the way we think about travel, making it more efficient, more enjoyable, and way more futuristic. The future of transportation is autonomous, and it's arriving faster than you think. Next up, we're diving into the world of healthcare, because AI is about to shake things up in a big way. Forget long wait times and misdiagnoses. AI is stepping in to make healthcare more accurate, more efficient, and more accessible for everyone. Imagine a world where algorithms can detect diseases like cancer earlier than ever before, allowing for early intervention and potentially saving countless lives. We're talking about AI-powered imaging systems that can analyze scans with superhuman accuracy, spotting details that even the most experienced doctors might miss. And it doesn't stop there. Imagine robot surgeons performing complex procedures with incredible precision, minimizing the risk of human error and improving patient outcomes. This is not science fiction, people. This is the future of medicine. AI-powered prosthetics are already giving amputees a new lease on life, and robotic assistants are helping doctors and nurses with everyday tasks, freeing up their time to focus on what matters most: patient care. But the real game changer here is the potential to democratize healthcare. With AI-powered diagnostic tools and telemedicine platforms, we can bring quality healthcare to underserved communities all over the world. Imagine a world where your doctor is available 24/7 through a virtual assistant, answering your questions and providing personalized medical advice. That's the power of AI in healthcare, and it's about to change everything. Chapter 3. The Power of Natural Language Processing. AI is tearing down language barriers like never before. Real-time translation makes conversations seamless. Imagine talking to anyone, anywhere. This is the power of natural language processing, or NLP. NLP powers chatbots and virtual assistants. Imagine customer service that solves problems quickly. Virtual assistants can schedule appointments and write emails. NLP analyzes massive amounts of text and speech data. This has huge implications for market research and social media analysis. Say goodbye to language barriers and hello to seamless communication. The future of communication is here, and it speaks every language. Chapter 4. Unleashing Creativity, the Rise of Generative AI. Hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get really meta. We're talking about AI that can create, yes, you heard that right, create. Generative AI is pushing the boundaries of art, music, and even video, blurring the lines between human and machine creativity. Imagine an AI that can compose original pieces of music in any style imaginable, from classical symphonies to chart-topping pop songs. We're already seeing this with platforms like Amper Music and Jukebox, where you can generate custom soundtracks with the click of a button. But it's not just about music. Generative AI is also being used to create stunning works of visual art, from photorealistic paintings to abstract sculptures. Imagine algorithms that can mimic the style of any artist, living or dead, or even create entirely new art forms that we can't even comprehend yet. And let's not forget about video. AI is being used to create realistic three-dimensional models, generate special effects, and even write entire scripts. The possibilities are literally endless. This is a whole new world of creative potential where the only limit is our imagination. And it's not just about creating new content, it's about democratizing creativity itself. With generative AI, anyone can be an artist, a musician, a filmmaker. All you need is an idea and the tools to bring it to life. So get ready for a future where the line between human and machine creativity becomes increasingly blurred. Chapter 5: Smart Cities, Smarter Living AI for a Sustainable Future. Finally, let's talk about the cities of the future, because AI is about to make urban living smarter, more efficient, and more sustainable than ever before. Imagine cities that can optimize traffic flow in real time, reducing congestion and emissions. We're talking about smart grids that can balance energy consumption, ensuring that everyone has access to affordable, reliable power. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. AI-powered sensors can monitor everything from air quality to noise pollution, providing valuable data that can be used to improve the health and well-being of citizens. Imagine a city that can anticipate and respond to your needs before you even know you have them. That's the power of AI in smart cities. But it's not just about technology, it's about creating a better future for everyone. By using AI to address some of the biggest challenges facing our cities, we can create more livable, sustainable, and equitable communities for generations to come. This is about more than just fancy gadgets and futuristic tech. It's about using the power of AI to make a real difference in the world. So buckle up, because the future of urban living is about to get a whole lot smarter. The future is now. Join the AI revolution. So there you have it, folks, the top 5 AI technologies that are going to change the world by 2030. From self-driving cars to robot doctors, AI is poised to revolutionize every aspect of our lives. And the best part is, this is just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, we can expect even more mind-blowing breakthroughs in the years to come. But here's the thing, AI is not something to be feared, it's something to be embraced. By harnessing the power of AI, we can create a brighter, healthier, and more sustainable future for everyone. Now, I want to hear from you. What future AI technology are you most excited about? Drop a comment below and let me know, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech content. Until next time, keep your eyes on the future.